Changzhou LongLongSheng custom builds the high-speed single needle bar warp knitting machines specially for shade net production, greatly boosting production efficiency with advanced technology. Shade net products, oil immersed eccentric rod design plus high-density weaving delivers uniform mesh, stable structure, high tensile strength, excellent UV resistance, and long-lasting weatherability. It's perfect for agricultural shading, greenhouse covering, and construction safety protection. Core features and advantages: full automatic operation from yarn let off to fabric windings, cutting labor costs by over 40%. Energy saving, low noise, and fully compliant with international standards. Stable running, long service life, and easy maintenance. 24/7 technical support.